Good morning, students. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is perimeter and area. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn what do you mean by perimeter. First, we are going to learn what do we mean by perimeter, and then after I am going to explain you how you are going to learn and how you are going to know what is area. But first, we are going to learn what is perimeter. Now, the name perimeter means a closed figure, whichever is the figure, that is a square, a rectangle, a triangle, or any figure which having a close, which are closed from all the sides. That is what that is having a perimeter. Now the sum of the length of all the side of a figure, whenever the figure, जो भी figure है उसका sum, that means if it is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, any centimeter which are close, that figure is called as perimeter. That figure is called as perimeter. We can see here the definition as well as how you are going to identify and how you are going to calculate the perimeter of a given figure. Now, perimeter means any figure which are closed, जो बंद होता है, not open, so that have a perimeter. The sum means all the measurement. Sum means here all the measurement of the length of all the sides of a figure, of any figure, that is what, that is our perimeter. Now I have made here three diagrams, three figures. Now the first figure what it is showing, let me make my screen big. Just wait. See here. In this figure, the first figure, what it is in the shape, what is the shape of first figure? Let me know the answers in the chat box. This first figure is in which shape? इसका कौन सा shape है? Very good, Arohi. It is in the shape of rectangle. It is in the shape of rectangle. Now the rectangle having two things. ये आपको याद रखना है. Rectangle having two things, that is length and breadth. That is what? Length and breadth. Now length means lambai or breadth means chaudai. Now here what is length over here? See, this is our length. This is what? This is our length and this is our breadth. This is our length and this is our breadth. Now rectangle का दोनों length, this first length and this second length must be same, and breadth also are same. The rectangle having length and breadth, both the length are same measurement or both the breadth are of also same measurement. Now how you will calculate the perimeter of a rectangle or a perimeter of a given figure, any figure. Now in this figure it is mentioned 6 centimeter, then 3 centimeter, then 6 centimeter, then 3 centimeter. Now how we are going to calculate perimeter of a figure? Now perimeter of a given figure. Now the figure name. अभी ये name क्या दिया है ये figure का? What is the name given of this figure? Can anybody guess and write answers in the chat box? What is the name of this figure? What is the name of the figure? Is rectangle, but name is given to some things. Very good, Pradyuman. What is given name? A, B, C, D. See, some figures are given name, some figures are not given name. The figures which are given name, that we have to write it down. Perimeter of A, B, C, D, or if it is not given the name, we will write perimeter of that figure. See here, huh? So here in this first figure, it is given name A, B, C, D. So what you will write? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle what? A, B, C, D. Perimeter of rectangle A, B, C, D is how much? 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. You will add the length. What you are going to add, because it is given how you are going to add, how you are going to do the sum of the length of all sides of a figure is what it's our perimeter. So what you are going to do, you are going to add all the sides, that is 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. Now what is 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3? Because it is given 6, 3, 6, 3. Now 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, yes. So if we add all these, what we are getting? We are getting 18 centimeters. See, it is given in centimeters, so we have to mention it centimeter. So in this way, you are going to calculate the perimeter of a given figure. What is the formula? There is nothing formula. What is perimeter? Closed figure have a perimeter. Now, definition of perimeter is the sum of the length of all the sides of a figure. चारों साइड जो फिगर का है उसको ऐड करना है, वो होता है हमारा पेरीमीटर. वो क्या होता है हमारा पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर figure. Now, if I draw a figure, just wait. Now, if I draw a figure like this, is it a can we calculate the perimeter of this figure? Can we calculate the perimeter of this figure? Yes or no? Very good. No. Why? Why we are not going to calculate the calculate? You have given no. Why? But why? क्यों नहीं मैं कैलकुलेट कर सकती हूँ? Yes, because it is not closed. ये पूरा बंद नहीं है. It is open. ये बंद है क्या पूरा साइड से? नहीं. So this figure we are not going to calculate the perimeter. If it is complete, अगर वो पूरा complete होता, packed होता, पूरा चारों साइड से close होता, so that only we will calculate the figure of a particular perimeter. Clear? So if the figure are not closed, we are not able to calculate the perimeter of that particular figure. But if the figure are closed, that time only we are going to calculate the perimeter of a particular figure. Okay, clear, understood? See the difference, huh? Now we'll see the next figure. Now this next second figure. Now it is in which shape? चलो मुझे बताओ, it is in which shape? Yes, very good. Square shape. कौन सा shape में है? Square shape. Now square having all the four sides. This first side, second side, third side, and fourth side. All the four side having same measurement, same length होता है square का. कभी भी आप देखो, जो भी कुछ आपके पास square चीज होगा, उसका measurement चारों side same होता है. So here also measurement is given 19 centimeter, 19 centimeter, 19 centimeter, and 19 centimeter. But in this figure, name is not given like A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, T. So what we will write? We will write perimeter of the figure, because name is not given A, B, C, D. So we'll write perimeter of the figure. Now how you will calculate the perimeter of this figure? By adding 19, 19, 19, 19. How many times? 4 times. How many times? 4 times. See, 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19. Now what is 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19? Very good. It is 76. 76 what? 76 centimeter. So in this way, you are going to add the perimeter of a given figure. Clear, everyone? Now we'll see the next one. Wait, let me rub this thing. Okay. Now we'll see the next figure. Now, can you tell me which shape it is? The third figure. Very good. The third figure is of which shape? Triangle shape. A triangle doesn't having same measurement. यहाँ पे देखो तीनों measurement क्या दिया है? अलग दिया है. There are so many types of triangles also, but in this standard, fifth standard, you are not going to learn types of triangle. Only you will see what is triangle. Now triangle having three sides and it is not same also. So how you are going to find out the perimeter of that figure? How you are going to find the perimeter of a triangle? By adding 12 meter, 5 meter and 9 meter. So add and tell me what is will be the answer of that particular figure. What will be the answer? 12 meter, 5 meter and 9 meter. Very good, very nice. It is what? Not only 26. हमको स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट भी लिखना है. स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट क्या है यहाँ पे? मीटर. तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? दैट इज 26 meter. Clear? So in this way, what you are going to do? You are going to find the perimeter of a figure. Perimeter of a figure. I have explained you example. I have not yet started the problem set. I have explained you the example how you are going to calculate the perimeter of a certain figure. Now perimeter means what? The sum of the length of all the side of a given figure is called is perimeter. How you are going to identify and how you are going to know that have a perimeter? Whenever there is a closed figure that having a perimeter. If it is not closed, that doesn't having and we are not going to calculate the perimeter. Okay, everyone. I hope everyone has understood how and what is perimeter. Now need to write down the things in your notebook. Everyone will write down these things in their notebook within 2 minutes. You are going to draw the diagram also. No need of writing the answers, only making the diagram with the help of pencil. चलो 2 मिनट में you have to complete this slide. Now we are going to start with our problem set 48. Now problem set 48, question number 1 is write the perimeter of each figure in the box given below. Now here you have to write it down the perimeter of each figure. Now we can see the first, there are 3 questions. First and second I'll explain you and third you will do your own. So I'll explain you the first question, how you are going to find out the perimeter of the figure. Now let us see our first figure. Now see here, the first question, the first figure is given 7 centimeter, 16 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Here name is not given to the figure. यहाँ पे नाम नहीं दिया है ये figure का. So what you are going to write first? What you are going to write first? Perimeter. What you are going to write? Perimeter of the figure. Now perimeter of the figure is how much? What is given? Perimeter of the figure. Perimeter of the figure is how much? We will calculate. That is 7 plus 16 plus 20 plus 14. You have to write it down. ऐसे नहीं करना है आपको, directly नहीं. You have to mention it. Perimeter of the figure because figure को नाम नहीं दिया है. I have explained you both the things. What you will get? 7 plus 16 plus 20 plus 40. Yes, very good. Students are giving me the right answer. What you will get after adding this one? You are going to get 57. What 57? Yes, 57 centimeter. So in this way, you are going to find out the perimeter of each figure. What you are going to find out? Perimeter of each figure. Can you do the second sum? First, write down the first sum, make diagram fast. Don't take so much of time. Make diagram and write down first question. Then you people will do the second question your own, and I want the answers in the chat box. Chalo, now do the first sum. If you have completed, do the second one. Yes, now we got the first answer. Now I'm getting the second answers also. Hmm. What will be the statement? Same. The statement will be same perimeter of the figure. Second question, huh? Perimeter of the figure is how much? We are giving me the answers, but we will do 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8. So what is the total? 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8. Very good. It is 48 centimeter. It is 48 centimeter. Very good. Students are giving me the right answer. Now this third question is the homework. This third question is what? It is homework. You people will do after this lecture. Clear? It is in your textbook page number 68. It is in your textbook page number 68 and the third question is homework. Clear everyone? So we will move for the next one. It's very easy how to find out the perimeter of a particular figure. Okay. Now we'll move for the second question of this same practice set. Same practice set, we are going to move for the second question. Okay. Now see here. In this question, we'll read the question first. We'll read the question first. Is a square of side 1 centimeter is cut out of the corner of a larger square with side 3 centimeter. What will be the perimeter of the remaining square? Now listen the question properly first. Now in this question, what is given? There are two figures. Yes, there are two figures. First figure में पूरा measurement दिया है, but in the second figure some measurement are cut. यहाँ पे कुछ part cut कर दिया है. And that what you have to find out? You have to find out the perimeter of the remaining square. Perimeter of the remaining square मतलब जो बचेला part है उसका perimeter कितना होगा? So we are going to match all the things and then we are going to do it. The question is very easy. जो कट पार्ट बताया है वो कितना सेंटीमीटर है? 1 सेंटीमीटर है. So now let us start with our sum. Just wait a minute. Okay. Now see here in this first figure. See here, this is the first figure and this is the remaining figure. The second figure is the remaining figure. The first figure is the whole figure. Now in this figure, it is the shape of square. So perimeter of a square we'll write first. The perimeter of a square is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 12 centimeter. First figure हमने देखा है. फर्स्ट फिगर में क्या दिया है? कौन सा शेप है? इट इज द शेप ऑफ द स्क्वायर. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर व्हाट इज दैट? 3 3 3 3. We'll add all the 3 4 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will become 12. So it is 12 centimeter. Now next we'll see the second figure. The second remaining figure. It is not in the shape of square. वो square के shape में दिख रहा है क्या? नहीं. It is looking in the figure of remaining. So let's see here. See, देखो यहाँ पे देखो पहला first see here. This part you are going to see it. Now in this part what is given? Here it is given 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. ये पार्ट और ये पार्ट नहीं है. Yes, that I have made in the yellow color. Yellow color में दिख रहा है ना आपको? So that part measurement is not given. Now what happened here? If it is whole, this because we know that the square all the sides are same. All the sides must be same. But in the figure, it has been shown in a cutting part. So what you will do? See, this is how much, this is how much, 3 centimeter. And here half it is given 2 centimeter. So how much centimeter will be left? Only 1 centimeter will be left from here also, from this part also, and from this part also 1 centimeter is left. So if I complete this figure, if I complete this figure, what I will get? I will get here also 1 centimeter and here also 1 centimeter. So if I add all the perimeter of the remaining figure, if I add all the perimeter, that is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, then this 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeter. If I add all these, what I will get? 3 plus 3 will be 6, 6 plus 2 will become 8, 8 plus 1 will become 9, 9 plus 1 will become 10 and 10 plus 2 will become 12. The answer here, the perimeter of a square is not changing if we curve the some part. It will remain same. It is not going to change. It will remain same. If I add this perimeter of a square, it is also 12 centimeter, and if I add this, it is also 12 centimeter. So what we have to write? There is no changes in the perimeter of both the figure. Why? Because it is the figure of square, and square having all the four sides same. If we cut some remaining parts also, and if we add that remaining part, answers are same. The perimeter are same. So the perimeter of the square is also 12 centimeter, and the perimeter of the remaining figure is also 12 centimeter. So there is no changes in the both the figure. Clear? Understood? Have you understood? See, यहाँ पे कुछ changes नहीं है. They ask about what will be the perimeter of the remaining square. Now, perimeter of the remaining square is also 12 centimeter. So there is no changes in the remaining figure. Clear, everyone? Okay. So note it down these things in your notebook. It is very easy. Note it down in your notebook fast. फॉर्मूला, अभी आपको क्या याद करना है? फॉर्मूला ऑफ perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square, because the next practice set is based on the formula of perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. So let us see the formula of perimeter of a rectangle first, and then the formula for perimeter of a square. Okay. Now first we are going to see rectangle. Now this is the shape of a rectangle. The rectangle, I have already told, it has having length and breadth. It is having length and breadth. यहाँ पे भी breadth है तो यहाँ पे भी breadth होगा, नीचे भी length है तो ऊपर भी length होगा. The length of the opposite sides of a rectangle are same, are equal, are congruent. These are the things which you are going to remind it in your mind, that the length of the opposite sides of a rectangle. Now, opposite sides of a rectangle, you can see here, this is rectangle. Now, इसका ये length का opposite क्या है? ये वाला part. ये breadth का opposite क्या है? ये वाला part. So, if it is 3 centimeter, the opposite of the length will also 3 centimeter. If it is 2 centimeter, the opposite of another breadth will be also 2 centimeter. That means the length of the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now, what is the formula that you have to use for the perimeter of a rectangle? That is, perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. ये क्या है? आपका फॉर्मूला है. ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है किसके लिए? For the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Clear? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. ये किसका फॉर्मूला है? Perimeter of a rectangle. Now we'll see the square. Now square means having all the sides same. See, you can see here, चारों length क्या है? Same होता है. All the sides of a square are equal. All the sides of a square are equal. Now, what is the formula for perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by length of one side. 4 multiplied by length of one side. One side means अगर यहाँ पे 3 दिया होगा तो चारों साइड कितना होता है? 3 होता है. So 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? Length of one side is 3. So 4 should multiply by 3. 4 3s is how much? 12. Clear? 4 3s is 12 centimeter or meter, whatever is the unit given. But the main thing what you have to learn, you have to learn the formula. The formula for perimeter of a square is 4 into length of one side. 4 into length of which side? One side. Clear? So now what you are going to write? You are going to write the heading, formula of perimeter of square and rectangle, and then only the formula you will write it down in your notebook. आपको सिर्फ क्या लिखना है? You are going to write it down, the heading, this heading and these two formula. Clear? Chalo, write it down fast and learn also. I'm going to ask anyone randomly. Yeah? I'm going to ask anyone randomly the formula of rectangle and square of perimeter. Okay, now we'll start with our next problem set, that is 49. Now in 49, first question is given, how much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide. Now in the question it is given that we have to know, we have to measure how much wire must be needed to make a rectangle. The rectangle का shape कितना दिया है? That is 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide. So long means length. See, long means length, wide means breadth. Don't get confused regarding long or wide. तो teacher ने नहीं सिखाया. But I am informing you, long means length and wide means breadth. So what is given first we will write over there. Now in the solution what we will write first? We will write the length is equal to 7 centimeter. Length कितना दिया है? 7 centimeter. Breadth is given 4 centimeter. जो भी कुछ दिया रहेगा पहला वो लिखना है. Length is equal to 7 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. Then we'll write the formula because they asked for the rectangle. So we are going to use the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now see here, 2 into length कितना है 7 plus 2 into breadth कितना है 4. Clear how you are going to write it down? 2 into length means 2 into 7 plus 2 into breadth means 2 into 4. Now we'll multiply this. 2 7 is how much? 2 7 is 14 plus as it is plus 2 4 is 8. Then add this one. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 will become 22 and it is given in the unit that is centimeter. आपको फॉर्मूला याद रखना है. फॉर्मूला याद होने के बाद आपको what you have to do, you have to apply the values apply करना है. Length is given 7 and breadth is given 4. Formula is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Then 2 into 7 plus 2 into 4. 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. 14 plus 8 will become 22. So it is 22 centimeter. Clear everyone? So what will be our last statement? Jaldi batao. Because it is statement sum. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle? So what will be our last statement? 22 centimeter wire will be needed to make a rectangle. क्या होगा last statement? 22 centimeter wire will be needed to make a rectangle. Clear everyone? It is very easy. Chalo, note it down in your notebook. Yes, Adarsh Yadav, very nice. You have written the same last statement. Chalo, copy down fast in your notebook. This I am going to rub. All the things I have written and also I have explained you. Yes. Now the second question is also same as the first one. Now we'll read the question. If the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and wide is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? See here, length बता दिया है कितना 20 meter. Wide means breadth बताया है 12 meter. What you are going to find out? You are going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So whatever thing is given, we'll write here. Length कितना दिया है? Length is given to 20. Breadth is given 12. It is what? It is meter. Here I have written centimeter. Don't write centimeter. It is meter. Okay. Then we'll apply the formula, that is perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now 2 into length means 2 into 20 plus 2 into 12. Length is 20 and breadth is 12. So 220 is what? 220 is 40 plus 2 into 12. 212 is 24. So what will be the answer? 40 plus 24 will become 64 meter. What will be the answer? That is 64 meter. What will be our last statement? Our last statement will be, what is its perimeter? Its perimeter is 64 meter. Its perimeter is what? Its perimeter is yes, very good. So here we'll stop over here. The remaining question will continue on the Saturday lecture. So copy down fast.